What do you guys think, guys? Turbo all-wheel drive? I still have some of my all-wheel drive parts here. Transmission is at a friend's to see if we could add the ring gear to make it a vehicle speed sensor to be the VSS like the 02, 04 transmissions. But there was an issue on the transmission. We can't add it. I got to change the all-wheel drive diff. So I'm hung up on that right now. But here's the turbo kit, V-banded for the most part. Let's see, 44 millimeter Tial wastegate, the 50 Tial blow off valve, a Garret T67 with a Billet upgraded journal bearing turbo, T4 flange, CX Racing intercooler, all the intercooler piping, downpipe, screamer pipe, injectors, 1000cc injectors, and the oil sandwich plate to add to the back of the block for the Integra to be turbo. Now, if you guys, today is July 25th, be a while till I upload it, but if you guys are familiar with me on Facebook, you will see that today I posted all my stuff for sale. So by the time you guys will see this, it's either I have it or I don't have it, so stay tuned. I did find another project that I want to get, so the Integra is posted for sale, but don't lose hope. If everything falls through, the other car sells, I'll keep it. But if everything falls through on the other car, I have a full turbo kit, full all-wheel drive system, so the Integra can very well be turboed and all-wheel drive whenever I get the funds rolling for it. Some of you guys may have noticed the turbo was sitting up here. The turbo was here when I was working on the Audi. So I'm interested to see how many of you guys caught that or actually watched the videos and noticed that. So I kind of like to know who's watching all the videos, no matter what the content is. You'll learn something from it. But there it is, guys. This came off a EK, so Turbo DK K swap, obviously. But so I'm super excited if this does go through, but if not, there are bigger plans for the channel and there's a better platform that I can get my hands on. So we'll see what happens. But there it is, guys. Maybe turbo all-wheel drive in the future, or turbo with front wheel drive transmission for now. We'll see. But like, subscribe, share the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know by the time you guys see this, the car is going to be gone or not gone, but you guys comment below what you guys are hoping. If you guys hope that I do keep it, or hope that I do move on to a different platform, but you guys let me know. You guys can hear my phone in the background is getting blown up because I posted everything for sale. So we'll see what happens. Don't have my hopes up, but if it does go, then it sells. But like I said, like, subscribe, share the video. Possibly turbo all-wheel drive K-swapped Integra can possibly be in the works. And of course, my awesome Gallant in the background. Thanks, guys.